Yes, hello guys, so welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so it's all about the fundamental principle of counting, or the fundamental counting principle. So from the word itself, fundamental, so something to be found, okay, in our brain, in our mental aspect. So primarily this principle of counting. So it's not merely about counting one, two, three, but it's beyond counting. Okay, so fundamental principle of counting, okay, focus on the uh, possibilities of how many ways, okay, that can be occurred in a certain event or in a certain situation. So like this, it's like this statement here: if one thing can be done in m ways and another thing can be done in n ways, the two things can be done in m n ways. So it in short, okay, the m and n, okay, is been multiplied or was been multiplied, right? So we have an example here. First bullet: a restaurant has 5 appetizers, 8 beverages, 9 entries, and 6 desserts on the menu. So if you're uh, somewhat fan of going to restaurant, then yeah, you can see this some of this okay, some of this food I've been telling. Okay, so a restaurant has 5 appetizers, 8 beverages, 9 entries, and 6 desserts on the menu. If you have a beverage and a dessert, there are 8 times 6 is equal to 48 different meals consisting of a beverage and dessert. So uh, 8 times 6, so you get the product of 48. Okay, so next example, second bullet example. In the last example, suppose that you make a meal consisting of an appetizer, an entry, and a dessert, and a beverage. Then there are 5 times 9 times 6 times 8 is equal to 2160 different meals. Okay, so why you multiply? Because uh, you are supposed to make a meal consisting of an appetizer, an entry, a dessert, and a beverage. So you are pertaining to the uh, numbers of appetizers, of beverages, of entries, and desserts, which are 5, 9, 6, 8. Then got to get the product will give us 2,160 rupees. Last bullet: California vehicle license plates take the form DLLDDD, where the first D is any digit except 0, the other D's are any digit including 0, and the L's are any letter of the alphabet. There are then 9 times 26, 26, 26, 10, 10, 10. Got to multiply all of this will give us 158,184,000 possible California vehicle licenses. Okay, so if you're aware of the licenses, if you have vehicles, a motorcycle, a car, then you are aware of the license number or licenses. Okay, next example also of fundamental counting principle. Say for example, pertaining to dessert, you have a cake and ice cream. Then upon having this, you also have the three types of cake that is available. That was available. You have cheesecake, carrot cake, chocolate cake. Then going to ice cream, you have vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. Then uh, you can say that all of these are an example of a fundamental counting principle, right? So that's it. Then don't forget to subscribe for more, guys. Okay, so two events, then multiplying to uh, the two flavor, then it will give us that six possibilities or ways. That's it. Thank you and God bless.